Alright, like what you just saw in that video, the cone and the cylinder are very much related when we are trying to find the volume. So if you think back to what we did with our cylinder, to find the volume of a cylinder, we went and found the circle on the bottom, area of the circle on the bottom, area of the base, times how tall it was. So it turns out, to find the volume of a cone, you're going to do that same thing, but you're going to go circle on the bottom, area, times the height, and divide by 3. And that's really it. So, if I get rid of this guy, and we try and find the area, or the volume of the cone up there, we're going to go pi. Radius is 4 squared times 9, all divided by 3. So we've got pi 16 times 9, all divided by 3, which means we've got pi times 16 times 3. And if we grab our calculator, 3.14 times 16 times 3. We get 150.72 feet cubed. So really, it's not that much different than Tuesday stuff. The only thing they have to remember is that if it comes to a point, like a cone, that we're going to take the area of the base times the height and divide that by 3. And so it works with a pyramid too. If you come over here, we need to find the area of the base, which is the one across from the point. So we can find the area of that. So it's 8 times 7 times the height of the whole pyramid, which is that 12. But because it comes to a point, we got to divide that by 3. So we get 8 times 7 times 4. So we get 56 times 4, which ends up being 224 centimeters cubed. So really today's hopefully not going to be that much different than Tuesday, if you understood that. Pay attention in the homework, because I'm not just giving you cones and pyramids. I threw a few of the other shapes in there. So just pay attention, and if it asks for surface area, make sure to find the surface area too. Okay, good luck, guys.